Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be making one of my favorite Indian recipe, that is chicken biryani. Okay, it's very popular in India, Western Asia, Central Asia, Southeast Asia. So it's just a simple rice meal with the choice of protein being chicken or beef or mutton or any protein of your choice with some flavorful spices. Okay, so please stay tuned and let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I'll add 6 pieces of chicken drumstick, but you can use any part of the chicken that you want. And then I also removed the skin. So I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of biryani spice. This is the brand that I'm using, but you can use any brand. And then add 1 tablespoon of gram masala, add cayenne pepper, so depending on how hot you want it, okay? And then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And I'll go ahead and add a half cup of yogurt. Once that goes in, I'll go ahead and top up with some coriander leaves and then add 1 teaspoon of salt. So once everything goes in, I'll go ahead and then rub everything on the chicken. At this point, the chicken is well coated with the spices, so I'll cover it and marinate for 1 hour. So in my pot, I'll add some oil and then sliced red onions, okay? Then I'm going to allow this to fry until golden brown. Okay, so this is exactly what I wanted to achieve. Okay, we're going to use that to garnish the rice later. So it's done, so I'll just put it in a bowl and set it aside. So in the same oil, I'll go ahead and add cinnamon stick, green chilies, white sliced onions, and then some bay leaves. So I'll give it time for the ingredients added to infuse with the oil to improve the flavor. Once that is done, I'll go ahead and add some fresh chopped tomatoes and then also stir fry for about 2 minutes. Then I'll be adding some ginger garlic paste, that is about 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and then 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then stir everything together. At this point, I'll go ahead and add the marinated chicken, and then once everything goes in, I'll give it a really good mix. And then once everything is set, I'll cover and cook this on a low flame for 30 minutes. The next thing I'm going to do is to cook the rice. So in a pot, I'm going to add about 3 cups of hot water, and then I'll go ahead and add some green chilies, bay leaves, and 2 cups of basmati rice. The reason why I add the chilies and the bay leaves is it gives a nice flavor to the rice. Okay, so I'll mix everything together and then cover and allow this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is the rice. Okay, so it should be 70% cooked, not fully cooked. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm going for. So I'll turn off the heat and then strain the hot water away and set it aside. At this point, the chicken is fully cooked, so I'll get everything out from the pot and put it in a bowl. Then the next thing I'm going to do is start layering all the ingredients. So the first thing I'll add is the rice. Then I will spread it in the pot. Then I'll go ahead and top up with some fried onions. Please note, do not take out the fried onions. It gives the food a very unique flavor and it makes it sweet. Okay, so go ahead and then sprinkle some onions, and then go ahead and add your saucy chicken, and don't forget to add all the sauce in there. Okay, and then top up with some fried onions again, and then I'll add the remaining rice, then top up with some fried onions and chop coriander.
I could share this tea recipe. This tea recipe. This tea recipe. Recipe. Biryani na bio, yebeti. Biryani na bio, yebeti.
So to have that beautiful color, you have to mix 2 tablespoons of water with a half teaspoon orange food color. Please don't fuse about this, it comes with the recipe. And then add ghee. It's okay if you don't have ghee, it's fine, but it gives it a very nice flavor. So once all is set, I'll cover with a parchment paper and cook this on low flame for 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, the food is ready. Oh my goodness, the smell alone. Trust me, this food is very delicious. If you have never tried Indian food before, I'm sorry, you have to give it a try, okay? Even if you're not going to make this recipe, go to a restaurant and ask for biryani rice. It has all the unique flavor, and then it tastes so amazing. This is one of my favorite Indian recipe. I always make it at home. It tastes so good. I really love it, and I hope you're going to give this a try. You can make this with goat's meat or any protein of your choice. You can even use eggs, boiled eggs, and it's also good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please kindly give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload, you will be notified. Please, to everyone who watch and support me, I really appreciate. I appreciate all my subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you all. Bye.